Today we talk about how can you enable login info on your or save login info on your Doordash app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, then you come here to save login info. So then you click here in this sign here, just click on it. When you just click on it again, so you keep click on it here, then it's going to show for you on, like you see now. That's means save login info, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. So when you down click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.